A is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ballon, ballon. Balloon. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for duck, duck. Gag. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse, horse. Horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jam, jam. Jam. K is for kites, kites. Kites. L is for lion, lion. Leo. M is for moon, moon. Moon. N is for nose, nose. Noose. O is for orange, orange. Orange. P is for pig, pig. Pig. Q is for queen, queen. Queen. R is for rose, rose. Rose. S is for star, star. Star. T is for tiger, tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violet, violet. Fire. W is for well, well. Well. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yo, yo. Yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra. Next time, won't you sing with us?
Kids, today we learn water animals. Octopus's 8 arms waving all around. Swimming through the sea where treasures are found. Octopus. Octopus. Jellyfish float by with a gentle glow. Their see-through bodies put on a light show. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Crabs scuttle sideways with claws big and wide. Burying in the sand it loves to hide. Crownfish swims. Crownfish swims in an anemone's home. Orange and white in the sea they roam. Clownfish, clownfish. Stingray glides smoothly, flat and so grand, floating like a kite above the ocean sand. Stingray, stingray.
Today we learn days of week. Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday, Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday, Wednesday, O-U-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday, Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday, Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday, Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. That's Saturday. 7 days of week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days in a week. Let's learn again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
This is red, the color red, 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 red. This is red, the color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, the color blue, blue, blue. This is blue, the color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow, the color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green, the color green, green, green. This is green, the color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is black, the color black, 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 black. This is black, the color black, 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 black. Do you know what color is this? This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. This is pink, the color pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is white, the color white, 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 white. This is white, the color white, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is white.
Numbers, counting with 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10. Let's count 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas, 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 bananas. Numbers, numbers. What are they? Can you see? Numbers, say numbers, say numbers. What are they? Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting with numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting with numbers.
Learn days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Learn again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days in a week. Learn again.
3, come count with me. 4 and 5 and 6 you see. 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Let's count them all once again. 1 is fun, 2 is neat, 3 is jumping on 2 feet. 4 is cool, 5 alive. 6 is high and 7 will jive. 8 is great, 9 is fine. 10 is perfect, all in line. Let's count again from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4 and 5 and 6 you see. 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Let's count them all once again. 1, 2, 3, come count with me. 4 and 5 and 6 you see. 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Let's count them all once again. 1 is fun, 2 is neat. 3 is jumping on 2 feet. 4 is cool, 5 alive. 6 is high and 7 will jive. 8 is great, 9 is fine. 10 is perfect, all in line. Let's count again from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, count with me. 4 and 5 and 6 you see. 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Let's count them all once again. Now we got some yummy foods. So fun. Apple, red and sweet. Crunchy snack, what a treat. Banana, yellow and brown. Peel it up and take a bite. Fruit, colorful and fun. Healthy for everyone. Let's all sing. Nature's tasty offering. Orange, juicy delight. This lunch is feels so right. Grapes, purple or green. Fine fruit, so we sing. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing. Nature's tasty offering. Watermelon, juicy delight. Sip and munch, it feels so right. Grapes, purple or green. Tiny fruits, always see. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing. Nature's tasty offering. Watermelon, big and round. Red inside, seeds are found. Strawberry, red and small. Seed fruit for that all. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing. Nature's tasty offering. Pineapple, prickly and sweet. Tropical taste that can't be beat. Mango, orange delight. Smooth and sweet, just right. Limo, fruit, colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing. Nature's tasty offerings. So many fruits, so much to explore. Eat them all, you'll want more. Thanks for singing. Thanks for the fun. Healthy fruits for everyone.
Hello, kids. That's our shakes. This is circle. Pizza is the shape of circle. Breakfast circle. Circle. This is square. It has 4 sides. Dice is the shape of square. Purple square. Square.
I am triangle. I have 3 sides. Mountain's the shape of triangle.
Green triangle. Triangle. I am stars. I have 5 sides. You can see me in the sky. Yellow star. Star. This is hexagon. It has 6 sides. Orange hexagon. Hexagon. This is rectangle. It has 4 sides. And color is the shape of rectangle. 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 I am oval.
Egg is the shape of oval.
Green oval. Oval. This is diamond. It has 4 sides. Kites is the example of diamond.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Boogie Bee. My friends and family call me Boogie Bee. How about you? What is your nickname? I want to be your friend. Let's share little things about ourselves. Were you born on a sunny morning in September like me? What are your hobbies? I love to draw and dance too. Sometimes I play sports. How about you? My favorite color is blue. Blue bag, blue umbrella, blue ball, I have them all. Do you love blue like me? There are some instruments that I can play. Tell me your favorite song and I'll play it on your special day. I love cats, do you have pets like me? I love burger, pizza, other foods that makes you happy. I wonder what would you like to be when you grow up? Next time you tell me everything you like. Bye.